let me show you what I just got in store. I have some Wenge, some Purple Heart, Paduk, white maple, some Eastern Walnut. I got some cherry. I want to make a lot of boards with the same style stripes. I'll show you the process of how I do this. Let me know which one you like best. Let me show you where I'm at right now. I have some scrap pieces here that are gonna make a great chaotic board in another video. Check out the Wenge, the Eastern Walnut, Purple Heart, Paduk, Cherry, White Maple. I'm gonna take half of each pile, I'm gonna rip it in half to make some thin strips, keep it book matched, and come up with some fun designs. Got all my thin strips cut. They're all still book matched. However, as you can see on the finished side, I cut in between. It's smooth on the finished side, rough, really rough on the cut side. So what I do is I'm gonna run this through the drum sander. That way, that guarantees that these will be equal thickness when I book match them, so that they keep their nice book match design when I lay out these designs. All sides of my thin strips are sanded smooth. Attention to detail matters. This is why I make sure to keep my book match pattern oriented when I run everything through the drum sander. Details definitely matter when you're trying to do a book match pattern. That's what I do, that's my style. Can't do it any other way. quick update with how the boards are looking. Check this out. I could not be happier with how these are looking so far. This is exactly what I imagined when I decided to build these boards. They're not even finished. These are already my favorite boards that I've ever built. Okay, there's still a lot of work to go, so let's just get down to business because I want to see how these are going to be finished up. Have my juice groove all cut out on all my boards is I have to get some undermount handles cut out right here. Now, in order for me to get the handles equal widths on both sides, I use the fence on my router table. I have indicators on the top of this table with stops on the fence here to show me that the handles are going to be equal width on both sides from start to finish. I run the cutting board along the fence on both sides with this beefy bit tearing it up. Once I get my handles cut out, it's time to round out every single corner on the board with this 1/8 inch roundover bit from Bits and Bits Company. sanding the juice groove. What I do here, I take a thick roll of sandpaper, wrap it around with some lighter sandpaper, and then I guide this along the juice groove on the edges. you so much for making it this far in this video. In closing, I would just please ask that you like, subscribe, comment, and share this video if you already haven't done so. Also, if you follow me on Instagram, you can see pictures of every single cutting board that I've built. And if anything interests you, you have ideas for a cutting board, please send me a message. I'll do the best I can to respond quickly. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you next time.